Today I'm going to be reviewing the Ulanzi camera fan, and I want to tell you guys, I love this fan. It was definitely very much needed when I went on set this last August in Texas, and if it wasn't for these guys, my Sony a7 IVs would have overheated right away. These things are built like a tank. They're metal and the spring is really, really good. And my favorite feature about these are it has a built-in battery and they're whisper quiet. This is level 1 and then level 2. Level 2 is a little bit higher, and then you can do off, and it can be powered by USB-C. And what drew me to the Ulanzi brand over big name brands like Small Rig, for example, is it has the built-in battery while the other ones don't. So I was on a film set, and one of my cameras was rigged out with the big V-mount battery to where I can power everything off of just that one. And the USB power was very handy because that made this little fan last all day. I could keep it running the entire time and it would keep my camera cool without having to worry about turning it on and off. And the ability to use this with the battery came in very handy when I had to throw this guy on my camera that was connected to my gimbal, because we all know when you're working with a gimbal, less is more when it comes to weight and balancing. And so these things lasted, I want to say if they were on constantly, probably if it was on high, it probably lasted maybe 30 minutes, possibly 40 minutes. And then if it was on number 1, it lasted probably about 50 to right at an hour. And if you're constantly turning it on and off, you can get away with about 2 hours worth of battery life, which came in very, very handy. I am very impressed with the Ulanzi camera fan. I tested it obviously with the a7 IV. It says it fits multiple different cameras, and it fits in really good. There's 2, I have 3 of these. The only thing is some of these, sometimes it fits right up against the camera, some of them don't. It's just probably the way they're manufactured. I also like that on the screen it shows you a temperature reading, and it's in Celsius, so I had to look up and do the math. But anything like around 40 Celsius, you know, like, hey, I need to turn this fan on. My camera is about to overheat. So, and then when it gets back down to like 30, 26, 25, you know you're good. If you're on the fence about getting a camera fan, just do it! And I recommend the Ulanzi brand. They have been put to the test, and if you want to pick up one yourself, there's a link down in my description. And full disclosure, I do get a little commission through the Amazon link. If you want to help out the channel, that's one way you can, and I very much appreciate it. But yes, I give this fan 10 out of 10. I haven't had any problems with it. They are well built, and they are a necessity if you have a camera such as the Sony a7 IV. Alright, that about wraps it up for this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and consider subscribing. I make a lot of different types of content, from gaming, unboxing videos, cinematic vlogs, a podcast, and much more. Also, hit the notification bell down there so you don't miss exactly when I drop a new video. I very much appreciate it. Again, if you want to pick up this fan, link down in the description below. I get a little bit of commission off of the Amazon affiliate link. And just remember, spread love, not hate. When life gets blurry, adjust your focus, and until the next time, peace.